Genesis, Levi. Look what came for you. Come here. Come here. Genesis, Levi. What are they doing? Come on. Oh, yeah, remote. Where's Sissy? Sissy. Give me the remote. Sissy. Hold him there. Genesis. 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 What are you doing? Come on, it's Christmas morning. Come on, you got presents. Oh. That's an easy way to come down. Come on. Come on. Go. Go. You should have seen her fall off the bed. Look what they got you. They don't even notice it.
No, he doesn't. No, they touch everything and now they don't want to touch anything. I don't believe this kid. Go take a look over there. Sissy, you take this one. Go.
No, that's Sissy. Give it to Sissy.
The other one.
Go, Genesis.
Okay, Sissy, go get yours. Go get yours.
Oh. Open it. I'm got it on a movie.
Look at it. Take a picture of her.
Mama, I have her on a movie.
Hey.
Open it up.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Open it. Take it out. What's that? Oh, they all fell out. Levi, dig in there some more. Yeah, dig in it.
Sissy, up in yours. Sissy, up in yours. Up in yours. Up in yours. That's a book. Yeah,
Oh, look at that. You got a coloring book. It's in your stocking. It came out the bottom. Oh, get your stocking. Get your stocking.
What else is inside, Sissy? What else? Go look inside. Go.
Ooh, you got a coloring book.
He's giving it to Ricardo.
Ricardo, you gonna help? Wake up. Wake up. Santa brought you coal.
Sissy, go see what's inside.
Levi, open, put your hand in it. Oh, you dumped yours out.
He's only a coloring book?
No, he's got other stuff in there.
Oh.
You get to share the crayons. There's more stuff. Go look. I'll hold on to this. Give me the crayons.
Go look. Go.
Okay, go look. Go look. Look what else is there?
Sissy, go look.
Genesis. Go look.
Genesis, go look inside. Come here, Mama. Come here. Come here, Mama.
You want, I know. You can color in a minute.
Sissy. Come on.
They're so excited about the color.
I don't know. They still have some more here.
I know. They still have some in their stocking. No. No coloring yet. Levi, give me your crayons. Give me your crayons.
Sissy, give me your stocking. Give me your stocking.
Levi, give me your stocking.
Give me your stocking.
Here, give me your stocking. Give me Rudolph. Give me the bear. Yeah, is that a reindeer? Reindeer. Well then, go give it to Mama. Go give it to Mama.
Look in there. Put your hand in there. Okay, go by Mommy. Go show Mommy.
Let me see your coloring book. Ready? Oh, what'd you drop? Pick it up.
Here.
What'd you get? Ooh.
Okay, go show mommy. Okay, now put them away. Put those away and open this one. No, put it away. Put it away.
Promote.
Here's another one for you. This one is for you. Yeah, for you. Yeah, for you. Go over there. Go over there.
Come here. Come open it.
This one's for you. See, where's the... Yeah.
What do you have? Yeah. Oh, they're taped.
Let's open up.
Well, open it. Hold on. I gotta
Get on the floor and open it.
I gotta get Levi's open.
Let him come. Let him come on the floor so they can open it.
Oh my goodness. You know, I gotta teach you how to get into things.
Sit down and open yours. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down on the floor. Sit on the floor. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Okay. No, that's... Okay, open the... Yeah. Okay, get it out. Get it out. Hey, you're missing it.
What are you doing, Genesis? What is that? What is it? Open it. Take it out. Oh, you gotta open it.
Open it.
You gotta unwrap it. Take off the wrapping.
Take the paper out.
She's like, I got paper. Oh, child, you are horrible.
Open it. Open it. Sissy. Open it. Take the paper out.
You want more? What are you playing with over here, Levi? You want more? Well, guess what? It's your lucky day. Yes, you got a bag. Levi, what are you playing with? Oh, here, give that to mommy. Give that one to mommy. Give it to mommy.
Open it, Sissy.
Levi, open your bag. Yeah, get your bag. What is that, Genesis?
Open the other one. Open. Yeah, open that one. No, not that one. Open your gift. Open your gift. Ooh, you're so pretty. Open your gift. I only have enough paper to wrap those two.
Open, Genesis. You want... Pull it open, Levi. Do you need help, Levi? You need help? She's trying. No, but she hasn't found a corner. There she got it.
Yeah, go ahead, open it.
What are those? Oh, yay! I get to take slippers, put them on every single time to take it off. Oh, what are those? Ooh! Yeah, I'll put them on when you take your pajamas off. You got... Ooh!
Show mommy.
Let me see. Let me see what you got. Oh, maybe you can leave mine alone.
Look at the other one. Look at the bag.
Yeah. Oh. Levi, that's Sissy's. No.
No.
It's right there. No, you open up your bag. Levi.
Oh, because he likes her, right? He doesn't know he's going.
I know. Levi, get your bag. There's some
Bag, open
here.
up.
Is that because
You know
you're?
what? I got them different because then they could play with each other.
No, they don't play with each other. Genesis, you got another one. Open. Oh, look at that cupcake. I like the cupcake. No, that's Sissy's. Let go.
Levi,
Let go.
Levi, open your bag. Open your bag.
Look at that. He doesn't. He doesn't want it. You know what? I'm gonna take it back and tell Santa to give you coal. You're being horrible. No, doesn't matter. Levi, give it back to Sissy.
Here, look at that. Look at that. Look.
Levi. He's like, light up. Hurry up. On. Yeah. Look.
That's a lip from. And you could connect this to the puppy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, read the instructions.
Here, push the buttons.
Here, Cindy, come over here. Come here, Mama.
Levi, look. Look what else you got, Levi.
Come here, let me take it out of the box. These things are weird. We never get it open.
That's so people don't shoplift them. Shiplist them. Levi, what else did you get? Levi, look. Come get it. No? Come here. What else did you get? Look. Ooh. What else did you get? It's a book. Yeah, a book. And did you get another one? Oh, who is that? Is that Woody and Buzz? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's Woody. It's a book. Are you sleeping again, Ricardo?
Yeah, wait. Oh, Valerie, here, give it to Mommy. Go give it to me. Maybe Mommy will take it out. Go give it to Mommy.
Levi, bring it here and I'll open it.
Huh? No, take it.
Levi, bring it here. No, I'll play with it on the box. It's a box, yes. Can I have the box? I think it's pretty cool, huh? Okay.
I need a knife for this.